What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are sliding in the beam today, gassing up right now. We done already made it down to the city pretty much. Antonio says he's done with our 2020 paint set, so I can't wait to go pick that thing up and see what it's looking like. As well, our wheels are done for that thing, man, so that thing should be together probably tomorrow. We can actually, if we get back home in time, we can have that thing done and ready, at least pretty much fully put together by tomorrow, man. So we'll see what's up. Gas is high out here, man, so gonna listen to this thing run. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We almost have 40K subscribers, man. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, man. Let's get it going, though. Man, I legit ain't been to Roscoe's in a minute. Got our sunrise here. Definitely about to check this out again. I ain't been here in about a year, so yes, sir. Finally, after like 30 minutes, we got what we came for, man. So let's see what it's about. Alrighty, now that we got us something to eat, man, at Roscoe's is pretty good, just like I remember it. But without further ado, man, we about to head up to the homie shop built by Dre, see what he got rocking up in that thing, man. So let's go pull up. First, we had to pull up to Tony Yo's. Man, that thing look good. Let's see. Oh my lordy. Yes, sir, that's going on my bike. Yes, sir, I can't wait. That thing look good, man. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. Man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I literally should have brought the truck, because this is no room. I thought I was at least gonna have some room for my wheels. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. The trunk is completely full. No need to open that. You can get a better glimpse from this side. Things is packed up, but we should be all right. Alrighty, man, just put up to my dog house, man. Got that thing cleaned up, man. Got projects. What we got, man? Here, coffee, right?
Told this nigga bike, boy. It's probably something new, nigga. We over here trying to fucking throw the chains around.
Yeah.
Let me show you how the nigga show.
Let's see.
You don't gotta, we don't gotta hook that strap how we be doing it.
Nah.
The nigga throw it across and just hook it.
Oh, it ain't gonna go nowhere now.
Once you do the other side and you pull it back, it's really gonna hold it. That's why now I'm like, we was wasting our time trying to keep doing that shit.
Hey, man, you learn something new every day, man. We gonna see today. Man, my guy about to load that joint up, about to slide to the desert. Probably about to get a ride in or something, man. Y'all know that silver thing is done, so it's only a matter of time, man. Man, the car is loaded up, packed up, and everything. I couldn't get my wheels today, but Monday we'll be picking them things up because they didn't fit in the car today, man.
Go.
Yes, sir. Nah, for sure. Got that joint out here with the side pipes on that bad boy. Yeah, that shit nuts. I like the detail on that, man. Yes, sir. I see what's going on. You doing that with ease now. Doing that with ease now. That's funny, dog. I remember when bro was scared, like, man, I don't know about riding it up, man. Hey, that's funny, dog.
I was doing it with the one.
No, for sure. Yeah, you dangerous. You definitely dangerous. You was doing it with the single and you better than me. I'm good. What's up, guys, man? Next day here. We are back here with another Everything's Regular, man. We have finally made it back to the crib, man. That was a long freaking ride last night. Our dog Kicks by Dre slid back with us last night. So, man, we definitely sliding today. He did bring his bike, so probably going to take his silver one on the ride today. In the meantime, man, we got to empty out the car, man. There's literally so much stuff in here. I was feeling like claustrophobic on the way back, dog. Like, literally. Never again will I drive this car knowing that I got some motorcycle stuff to pick up, or even thinking that I got some motorcycle stuff to pick up, because this thing is just, you know, around the city is cool, but like on a long trip, definitely don't want to deal with that, man. But in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We almost at 40,000 subscribers, so man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. Let's pull out this joint and get all these parts situated so we can start getting this 2020 put together, man. parts laid out here. All these parts was in the i8, man. That thing is ridiculous. Like I said, I feel claustrophobic. Definitely not doing that again. But we're gonna get it cracking, man. I'm gonna pull out this black 2020 and we are gonna start putting this thing back together, man. Back together. It's your time to shine, big dog. So y'all know, first things first is the bags, man. Those are gonna be the hardest, tedious part for me at least. Still pretty simple, but literally just takes the most time. So we're gonna get the bags situated first. Once we get the bags, we'll move on to the rear fender and work our way forward. We should have it all complete up to the gas tank at least today. And then we'll start working on that inner fairing today as well, so we'll see. All right, guys, 30 to 45 later. We do got the bags together. Does look good as it is dusty, but those colors are freaking fabulous. Don't mind this dirt and stuff on here. All that is just dust. Wipes right off. But now that these are done, it's time to get that thing taken care of, man. Now it's time to get our rear fender situated and tidied up. Put all the turn signals and everything on it, as well as that lower bracket that goes under there, man. So after we get this will be like one of the main things. And then that bike will look a whole lot different in a second. Got that rear fender together and ready to go. Like when I tell y'all, the rear fender and the freaking bags be the freaking longest part, dog. So now that we got those out the way, it's time to bring this thing to life. Got that rear fender on there. We got to switch this little guard piece on this side because this was the side that was bent. But it is coming together, y'all, slowly but surely, man. Let's get it. Now that was long. That definitely took a minute. But it's here, man. We getting it together slowly but surely, dog. Back fender is on. And I'm sure the light's on. I don't know what's going on. But we gonna get everything else situated real quick. Let's keep going, dog. Alrighty, guys, got this thing pretty much put together. Antonio did a really fabulous job. Now I love this color. It's like a brown, like mocha type color with like blue and silver. Does look pretty clean. I'm digging it, man. What y'all think about it so far? Look at the gas tank. Thing look good. Ain't look good, man. I can't wait. We had our air breather. They sent us a 107 air breather. Had to send it back because we don't got a 107. But y'all see it here first. Y'all see it here first, man. All right, so we got our inner and outer unwrapped. Let's check out this outer real quick. See how this thing look. How this thing look, dog. All right, look, let me know. That thing look pretty cold. Yeah, I like that color. That thing looks crazy. What y'all think, man? Good morning, how you doing? Let your boy know in the comments below. That thing looks amazing. Wow. Sheesh. Now, I'll just show you guys because I have to do a quick reset myself. But this thing is looking freaking amazing, y'all. Man, I wish we could have did the frame. The frame would have been basically like this blue. But I don't want to wait that long, man. And, you know, my boy got a bunch of bikes over there. He's pretty busy himself, so don't want to crowd him more with my bike. But it is looking good so far. So good, man. I'm going to get this inner and outer switched out next. However, I got to drop these sliders off at the powder coat along with this brake so we can get those things black. Because this one is damaged. So we'll get that thing situated. But meanwhile, we'll get the forks and stuff off. No big deal there. Can't wait. We'll probably do that on the next video and stuff. But so far, so good. I gotta get a freaking one of those little things. Mine was like bent. You guys know this one. This seat was kind of like bent when we first got it or whatever. So if you guys look here, this one is kind of slanted. And then I don't have that piece that goes in there. So gonna go grab one of those today for the seat. And then we'll get it situated. Now this was like dented up. So Antonio got that back straight for us. We're good to go there. Can't wait, man. This thing is gonna be so freaking clean. Like, I love this color scheme. Looking so sick, man. What y'all thinking about it, dog? Let your boy know in the comments below. And we have these wheels, these same exact wheels that's on the silver bike and the green bike coming on this bike. So this thing is gonna come together real fast. Then we have our crash bar over here as well. So we'll be able to get this thing set up real good, man. I can't wait, dog. Can't wait. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, man. So I want to thank you guys, man. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. Man, where do I start, man? We done went to LA. We done picked up our stuff from Antonio, linked up with our boy Dre. He's out here in Vegas, man. So we gonna slide on this silver thing today. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be taking it easy, go. So you guys don't gotta worry about that. But man, we did get my 2020 started, so I can't wait. This thing is looking freaking amazing. Like, look at that color scheme, dog. Just look at that color scheme. That thing looks so amazing. This brown looks crazy, man. I'm loving it. So we'll get this thing pretty much finished off in the next go around. But you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man. These wheels will be done Monday. So when we pick up the wheels for my bike, we'll be picking up the wheels for this red bike at the same time. So this thing will be finished, I'm guessing like Tuesday morning, knowing me. I'm gonna be on this thing bright and early, man. So you guys haven't entered, man, go over to everythingsregular.com, copy your camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Once all the hats are sold out, man, the list will be going up and you will know your number and all that good stuff. So the hats is still getting made, man. So be patient, man. By the time this red thing sells out, the hats will be done. So it'll work out. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.